you're still in chest voice, all right? And I want you to be able to go higher. So I'm going to take it down a little bit and come back up again. And then we're going to do some higher notes for the mix. Major. 1, 2, 3. Nice and strong. One more. Back down. One more. Good. We're going to stop this one, and we're going to start. We're going to go up nice and high now. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. You're in the mix. Keep the body up. Transition into chest. Nothing light. Keep it right in chest. One more chest. Back down. One more. Yes. Okay, you finished. You did it. You got done. Chest voice is nice and strong, and it's something that a lot of people aren't really doing, especially us girls. We're not doing enough of our chest voice. Now, I am. I need more of the falsetto or the head voice, and a nice working of the head registration and the mix area. I need lots of that because I already have a lot of chest, but then I've got to maintain that also. And then we got to do the whistle stop coming up nice and big and bright and high. So we've got an awful lot to work on, and it takes, well, yeah, just about every day. If you're really serious, you want to be working your muscles a lot. And then they get nice and strong. It's like going to the gym. You need to do a workout. Okay, tell me what you liked. Tell me what you need. Tell me. Oh! Hi, Spartacus. Spartacus is here with us. Look at this. Hello, baby. Yeah. He says, what you doing, Ma? Oh, what a good boy. Yeah. Well, I've got to say goodbye to you and tell you that you need to subscribe. Yes, ring the bell, Red Spartacus, and cause it's such a day, yeah. mighty fine day. Oh, yeah. He says, what are you doing, Mom? Bye, 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 bye.